Good morning, children. So we are continuing the lesson food and water no through direct contact. How the diseases will spread one person to another person through direct contact, like a common cold, okay, fever, like coughing, spitting, sneezing, like very near one person to another person have means through direct contact through infected food and water. Next, through infected food and water. So when we are eating infected food and when we are drinking infected water means the diseases can pass one person to another person. So like typhoid, cholera, jaundice, okay, polio, like type of diseases when we are eating contaminated food, infected food, like contaminated food. So when we are eating that type of food means we can easily get type of diseases. And when we are eating polluted water and unhealthy water, when we are drinking a polluted water, unhealthy water, dirty water we are drinking means we will get that type of diseases, cockroaches and flies and that sewers, like that small insects carries that germs through in our food. So when we are eating a half food and we kept like that only, sometime in the time the cockroaches, like flies, house flies, mosquitoes, bugs, like any small insects, they can touch that food means they can infect the germs in that food only. Later we will eat that type of food means easily we can get that type of diseases. Okay, so these cockroaches like flies, they can carry this type of germs. And when we are drinking milk also, that cows also infected, cows also infected have means that cows gives milk. So in that milk only, when we are drinking that milk only means we will get disease. Why? Because we drink that infected milk, no, contaminated milk. So when we are taking that infected food and water means we will get this cholera, typhoid. So cholera, typhoid, okay, cholera, typhoid, diarrhea, polio, jaundice, like type of diseases we will get this contaminated food and water. When we are taking contaminated food and water means we will get this type of diseases: cholera, typhoid, diarrhea, polio, jaundice. Okay, cholera means like motions, loose motions and vomitings. So typhoid means like fever, heavy fever, suddenly it's heavy temperature and some hours it will get cold and some after it will get heat, like that typhoid. So many days are there in this typhoid. Diarrhea, motions, okay, polio, that the hands or legs they can't walk, like that only going on, like that only have, okay, like leg or hand, any hand, like it can't walk. Okay, jaundice means our eyes and urine become yellow color. Okay, in our body functioning also properly, not walking, it will affect our liver. So like jaundice also one type of disease. Okay, These all are through infected food and water. Next, through air. Through the air we breathe. We breathe. Okay. So we have to breathe fresh air. In that air we will get germs. Means like water vapors, germs. We will get that in that air only. Means we breathe inside. It will get. It will spoil in our health, and we will get some type of diseases, especially in front of our person sneezing like that, spitting and like that, coughing. Means in that water vapors, it goes inside of through the air. So like that only have. So chicken pox. Chicken pox. Okay, whooping cough. Whooping cough. Diphtheria. Influenza. Okay, scarlet fever. Okay, some diseases we will get through the air. Chicken pox, whooping cough, diphtheria, influenza, scarlet fever. Okay, chicken pox we know very well. Ammavaru saying no, tattu ammavaru, like that chicken pox, that small bubbles on total body going on. So next, whooping cough. Like one sound coming when they are coughing means like that, whooping cough means like that, some sound coming in that cough, that is called whooping cough. Okay, diphtheria also one type of disease, like influenza, scarlet fever, like long fever, like that diseases came from this through air when we are sneezing, coughing. Okay, like in front of person have this type of disease means they are talking closely, they are moving very closely, and we are sharing his things to us, means we will get easily through the especially air. Okay, they are closely talking, and in that nose and mouth it's taking the germs. Okay, so it will get very closely nose and mouth. Okay, sneezing, coughing, sneezing and coughing. Sneezing means nose, coughing means mouth. We will get through air this type of diseases. Okay. Okay. Next. Okay. Next. Through insects. Insects also have insects. So through insects also we will get some diseases like malaria, dengue, yellow fever, like that. Malaria, dengue, okay, yellow fever, plague, Kala hazard. Okay, these are some diseases. Okay, housefly like mosquitoes only in that mosquitoes especially that female mosquito only anopheles. Okay, anopheles female mosquito only it cause that malaria disease, dengue. This is also Aedes mosquito causes that dengue. Yellow fever. This is also flies only causes this diseases. Plague means it bites. That rats bites only causes this type of plague disease. In 1994, like Gujarat, Maharashtra. So Gujarat, Maharashtra, and so many in that Gujarat and Maharashtra, so many places they are faced in 1994 this plague disease. So bites of rats. It causes by the bites of rats. It occurs by the bites of rats. Rat feeds. So they can easily spread this plague disease in 1994. So dangerous disease. After dengue also, this dengue disease also spread in these areas. It is also very danger. So these diseases caused by the flies. Okay. Bugs, sandflies, mosquitoes, bugs, bugs, flies. Okay, bugs, flies, and sandflies. These type of insects caused by these type of diseases. This especially plague only, the rats bites only caused. Okay, next. Especially these two diseases, one special mosquitoes only caused. This malaria caused by the anopheles, female anopheles. Female anopheles mosquito. Okay. Next, dengue. Dengue is the Aedes mosquito. This dengue disease caused by the Aedes mosquito. Okay, and this malaria, female anopheles mosquito, especially all the mosquitoes, they can put in our skin and they can suck our blood. Okay, in that they can suck in our blood, and that our blood it can carries, and healthy person have means one malaria disease caused person have means in that mosquitoes they can went in that body, they can suck the blood of malaria disease person, and it can inject healthy person's blood. It can suck in that inject healthy person's blood means it will easily pass that malaria disease one person to another person easily. So like that only that malaria disease it can one person to another person easily passes through that insects. Like dengue also Aedes mosquito. In that especially mosquitoes only, female mosquitoes only cause this type of diseases. Male mosquitoes they can eat fruit juices like leaves juices only. They can water and fruit juices like leaves, trees juice only they can drink. They can suck. Only female only they can suck the our body's blood only. Okay. next, and direct carries. Through the direct carries means some we are eating that unhealthy food, that contaminated food. When we are in our dirty hands only, have suddenly we eat that in our dirty hands. For example, we are walking somewhere, suddenly in that place suddenly somebody brought sweets, like that only we have to take in that sweet, and like that only we are eating. So our hands have germs, so we can't make our hands sanitization. So hand sanitization also properly not there, hands not washing, and like that only we are eating, means it can cause a direct. So like that cholera, amoebic dysentery, like different types of so many diseases have no like contaminated diseases, like that only through direct this is caused by the germs or insects, like that. So many our mistake also have, we have to drink unhealthy water, spoiled water, like impure water. We also eat unhealthy food, means we will get that type of diseases. And especially like HIV. So HIV virus also have, like AIDS disease. This AIDS disease is also it's very dangerous communicable disease. So this AIDS disease caused by through the virus, HIV virus. Okay, so this is a dangerous communicable disease. When a healthy person have, means it contaminated through the blood, injected by the blood, and it's closely relation have, means only it will passes one person, healthy person to unhealthy, that HIV AIDS person to healthy person. So it is very dangerous disease. It can spoil our immunal system, immunity system. So immunity power, immunity system strong have, means only we will face any problem, any disease in our health have, means we can easily get on. But immune system damaged means we will die. So in that disease occurred, means it will totally damage that immunity system. So when they got that AIDS disease, means the person easily, the person's immunity system destroyed, and that person also will die. So that is the dangerous disease. AIDS also have, once upon a time, so many years back, have this disease. So many years it passed, it continued so many years back. So after it destroyed. So it caused by the HIV virus. Okay, this is the direct contact carried diseases. So this is today topics. I hope you understand, children. Better to read once again the total topics, today topics. Okay, homework, that is the homework. Third lesson, today topics. Thank you.